Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit Moody Black in Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after applying preset.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and spoken reels of the movie.
First, go to Lights. Contrast to +32. Highlights to -44. Shadows to -31. Whites to -24. Blacks to +10. Next, got colors. Follow these steps, get the exact effect. Next, go to colors. Make vibrance to +30. Saturation to -20. Next, go to Mix. First go to Red, and make Hue to +26, and Saturation to -10. Then go to Orange, and make Hue to -10, and Saturation to -10, and Luminance -16. Make Hue and Saturation -90 for yellow.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought
Make Saturation to -100 for green and aqua. Make Saturation -100 and Luminance -30 for blue. then done. Next, go to Effects.
All I know is we're here. They took us somewhere. So what they
Make
say
clarity and dehaze to +10.
line, they don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here. They took us somewhere. So what they say we're colorblind.
Make Vignite T to -30 and make midpoint to 0. Next go to Split Tone. Follow these steps, get the exact effect.
Colorblind for all my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain, and you've been colorblind for all your life. Too scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain so.
Then done.
Colorblind, yeah.